Hi everyone, my name is Michaela, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief overview of the ePortfolio that I created for our semester-long final project. So I'm going to start by showing you the home page. This is the home page. You can see in the upper left-hand corner that it is my portfolio. In the top right, we have home, LTLE 370, and contact information as menu options. As you scroll down, you can notice a picture of myself with a blurb about myself regarding where I go to school, my education, a little bit about myself for whoever views the portfolio. As you go further down, you can notice a brief little overview of what LTLE 370 will hold. Right here, it only shows three overviews of three projects, but as you get into this tab, you can notice more. As you go down further, you can see my social media accounts, and they have links to my Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. YouTube I use to create a couple projects for this class, particularly this semester. And in the bottom left, you have the menu bar again, my name, my social media, and then some of my contact information as well. And then you can also notice that there is a chat bubble in the bottom right for whoever wants to chat live on the site as they visit. So I thought that was really interesting to add. So now I'll bring you back up to the top. So next we'll go to LTLE 370, and once you reach this page, you can notice that it is my semester projects for this course. You can notice that I put in 10 projects from this semester, ranging from videos, Powtoons, images, PDFs, all different sorts of projects. So for the purpose of this project, I'm going to just show you a snippet of one, and I'll choose iMovie here at the top. And once you get there, you could see that there is the title of iMovie. For this project, that's the tool I used. For this assignment, my team and I were to create a high energy movie trailer. This particular trailer, which we use iMovie to create on a Mac computer, told a story about how our team is the best team in our class. Using the movie trailer option of iMovie made creating this trailer possible. So above each project, I included a snippet of what each project entailed and how to go about it. Then here is the project embedded into this page, and as for every other project, it has the same sort of format. And then below we have strengths, weaknesses of the tool, so I described a few of those on each, and then how to use iMovie to support one's own teaching and learning. So you can go to my site and check those out for each individual project because they're all extremely different. So now I'm going to take you to the contact page, which is where you can reach me at any time. As you can see, it has my address, my phone number, and my email if you want to get in touch. And there's the get in touch box right below as well. And for every page, we also have the bottom bar present on every single page just in case. So now I'll take you back to the home page, and I hope you go and check out my portfolio. It took a lot of time and effort, and I hope you enjoy it.